In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the program. We're on the download screen right here. Come down here, just click the download button. This is the 64-bit version. Okay, click. And it's asking me where do I want to download it to. I normally download to the desktop. If you don't choose anything, it'll usually go to your download folder, which is right here. I'm going to the desktop. Download. Okay, it's there now. Go up here to my desktop. I'm at my desktop, and here it is. Now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to right-click it or push cut. You can also copy it. I'm going to cut it because it takes it off of the desktop and put it where it belongs. Cut. I go down here to the C drive. On the C drive, because I don't know what drive systems you have on your computer, but I do know you have a C drive. And here is the folder right here, 203K software. Open up that folder, right-click in the folder, and paste it. There's the software. Now, above the software, I have the key already installed because I've already done this once. So we click on the software, and it should come up. Okay. Windows protected your PC. This is a normal thing, Windows 10. The other versions of Windows probably do something similar. Click on More Information and click Run Anyway. The reason, and the program is loading now, but the reason it gives you that warning is Microsoft, you have to buy a license to get around that fee, and that license costs $400 a year pop up. And I'm not going to pay the $400 fee. This is a small organization, but this is the opening page. And from this point, you need to go download and watch the full video that explains how the software works. This is the full application. It's a working application, not a trial version, because I did have the software key. Okay, one more thing I want to show you. It's really important, I believe. Right-click on this software and come down here, create a shortcut. We create a shortcut, click on the shortcut, and just drag it down to the toolbar. I've already done that. It's here. So when you go to start the program, just click here right on there with the rest of your tools on the toolbar. It's that simple.